Uh-oh. Looks like Peanut Butter got himself stuck.
What you doing? I'm stuck. I got you.
Way to go, Hugbug. I wonder how long Peanut Butter's been down there.
Grassy, Huggy. Turun, Butter. Whoa, Putty. Are you falling that hole? No, Huggy. I was watching. Achoo! Oh, Butter, you got a cold. Too bad you go.
Now that's what I call a snuggle bug.
Eat your sticky soup, Butter. You'll feel all better. Grassy Hugbug. Achoo! You still got the sickies.
Oh.
Hello, Great-Grand Turtle.
Greetings, friends. My dearest Peanut Butter. I sense your energy is low.
I got the sickies from the hole.
Oh, come, let us raise your vibration. Get that blood moving. Groovy. Good. That's it. Now, let's wake up that healing energy. Swing, swing-a-loo.
That's it, Hugbug. Swing away those sneezes, Peanut Butter.
Oh, dearest Peanut Butter. Rest. Rest you must. Peace and healing, my child. Macaroni. I think Peanut Butter may need some Ten-Ten tea. It's magic.
Great idea. I go find the Ten-Ten for a. Hey. The Ten-Ten for us. This make Butter better. My special Ten-Ten super tea. Perfecto. Here you go, Butter. Sippy, sippy. Tasty. Grassy Huggy.
There he goes. It's a peanut butter balloon.
Achoo! We need more help to make you better, Butter. Oh no, Huggy! What happened?
Looks like Hugbug has completely exhausted himself. Oh my. Sometimes all you need is a good night's sleep. Hello, Patrick. Greetings, little pogs. What a lovely, relaxing day in the frog pond. Oh my, what's that sound? Looks like Hugbug and Peanut Butter are feeling the vibes. Maybe it's more like vibration.
What's that? Let go, Butter.
Seems like something strange has landed in the tiny garden.
Join. Okay. Beautiful. Good vibes.
Looks like the good vibes are spreading.
Hello, Rainbow Wing. Hello.
Looks like Muffy has joined the party.
Forecast for today, rain is expected later on.
What has Muffy done?
We're looking into having him back as soon as...
Gobba gob.
This feels strange. What's happened? Ooh, now that's something I can groove to.
What a yippee!
Hey you, it's party time. Boogie on, my buggy friends.